Kapanch EV kakali electric kapanang spemida ka Tata Motors kapapaka bhabanya akin nong ba kumjuru siya kin nong kandong na maru battery ay hadu sa hospa at 2 kilometer. Nadapi kwa ban test drive ya kan kakali electric kilaban wan ni showroom jang Frank Motors kabahapo lat korbat hamaw line maun. Ka National Commission for Women NCW kalapin long ya kajinga jangi kaya ki long kami jang than sa tila mingi ka India nakabenta bakin ka may spa nakispa nakaklaw light no nakidiyang. Ka chairperson ka commission ka Rekha Sharma habakren menta ka singi siya kilabtay kubor kalong ba kelas dang ya kaniga sinjam nakabenta ki long kami ka than bakin tip bat sngot ho kumno ban ka may spa nakaspa klaw khana makin laban kintiw ya kalad ka may jongki kalong ba ki kam ki ba ki long kami ki laban le ban kin show ya ka kamay ka ji jongki kalong na ki dawai kin bat ki sintiw ki jingthong jingtap bat ki we ki lad kum hakakam jungo kai prothe ka bay deb ka mariang bat ki start ba shampang kin laban ai jing matai bat ka jing ya kini kilong me ya kani ka jing ai jing kai lapin long hapo State Convention Center halor kapang Regional Capacity Building Workshop promoting entrepreneurship among indigenous women of NER based on non-timber forest.
Program which I'm learning while doing this program. So there is no age for learning, I believe, and we all should learn at any given time. Non-timber forest produce, as we all know, that this is the program where we can share our insight that how women can be part of business or the work in the forest. Let me tell you, culturally or historically, women are the custodians of forest. We have all seen in Uttarakhand, and I am also from Uttarakhand, and we have all seen Chipko Andolan and how women of Uttarakhand save the forest, save the trees from cutting. So even in Meghalaya area, I think, and in all the tribal areas, women are the one who are saving forests and saving forest produce also. Whether it is gathering wood or going for fodder in the forest, every work is being done, and basically the labor work is done by the women. But when it comes to earning money or when it comes to managerial jobs, women are not there. We hardly see women in those areas, and NCW has a vision that women should be part of every work which is related to forest, and especially when they are starting their own work. These self-help groups have got their small businesses. Why can't we expand their businesses by capacity building these women? So that's how we vision this program. That's how we, I think, outline all these speakers who are going to talk about how to start your own business in different produce, non-timber produce of forests. We all know that there are around 3,000 species in the forest which are being used for food or for earning in the forest around India. And mostly villages which are settled around the forest, and especially tribal areas. And women in Northeast are mostly coming from the tribal areas and from the tribal families. आप लोग सब ट्राइबल एरिया से आते हैं, आपको हिंदी समझ आती है? How many women understand Hindi? Very few. English? That too very few. So I think you people have to translate it properly. When a woman goes to collect wood or to collect fodder for their animals, they risk their lives, but still they don't earn the kind of money they should earn. So we need to teach them how they should use different produce. There are many herbal plants in the forest. How they can use those herbal plants to make medicine, to make different things, whether it is beauty products. And I think one of the resource person here is making beauty products of these herbal plants. So you can learn these things and start a small business. Their business has to start from a small money, and it can grow. How you can market your, I think that that is the most important when you are starting your business. Marketing, packaging, how you can do all these things. Step-wise we are going to teach all these things. Increasing women control over the income from the collection, processing and marketing of non-forest produce. First thing is that organizing women cooperative, how we can organize women cooperatives. Because in Gujarat and in many places we have seen the cooperatives are doing, women cooperatives are doing, even in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, they are doing wonderful job. How we can start in these areas, especially in northeast areas, these cooperatives, maybe they are working, we don't know, but if they are working, they can also come forward and talk and give their input in that what problems they are having and how can we improve these in these areas. Then providing water, shelter at these areas, collection areas, how we can provide them proper toilets, proper water, and also stay. When they are going there to collect these things, maybe sometimes they have to stay there overnight. So these can be provided shelter which is secure and safe for the women. All welfare measurements, how we can take welfare measurements like how they can save money, their banking system, how they can be taking care of their health. All these welfare systems we have to make these welfare systems, and we need to engage at least 50% of women in all the managerial jobs. Because women are not only for doing labor, they should be part of managerial jobs, and forest department especially should think how they can be part of these jobs. How they can get easy loans for starting their own business. So maybe one of the banker can be speaker, not even if they are not here today, then actually we can arrange one tomorrow or in another this thing, how they can arrange a loan on easy installments and start their own business. The few of these things we need to talk about in this program. Especially forest department has to be very keen to make women part of all the process, not only for the smaller jobs but all the jobs where they can make decisions. So decision making should be in women's hand in all the departments. Then only I think things will improve for the women, especially from the tribal areas.